Imagine crafting your own Pixar-style 3D animated stories without needing expensive software, a high-end PC, or years of animation experience. Sounds too good to be true? Well, buckle up, because in this video I'll show you how to make stunning 3D animation stories using completely free AI tools, even if you're an absolute beginner.
First, come to ChatGPT and generate the story. Now let's generate our character. I will list all the prompts in the description below. Now let's ask it to generate 10 prompts for the scene. Now come to this free website from Google called Whisk. And start copying the prompt for image generation. And here is our first image. Now copy and paste the other prompts for result. After all the images are generated, we will come to this free website to generate them into video.